Hi everyone. Today we are with this beautiful patient of ours, Niha, and she has been struggling with dull and dehydrated skin, especially in the summer season. So we have recommended a procedure for her, which is the HydraFacial, which is one of the most common treatments that we do in the clinic, and we got a lot of queries regarding exact procedure steps and how the procedure is done. So today in this video, we'll be showing you about the entire procedure, what are the different steps and how these steps are beneficial. So HydraFacial is like an 8 to 10 step procedure which takes almost an hour to complete. It's a completely non-invasive, painless procedure which has zero downtime and is suitable for all skin types. The first step in HydraFacial is cleansing. Cleansing is a very important step because if this step is not done properly, then the next steps in which we are infusing a lot of serums into the skin will not work efficiently. So cleansing is done with a gentle cleanser. We usually include a little bit of massage with this step so that there is proper removal of the dirt and debris which has collected on the skin. Cleansing is followed by the second step, which is a massage with a gel. Usually in summers we use Aloe Vera Gel because it has its own cooling properties, and the massage itself helps in activation of the lymphatic channels and improve blood supply to the skin. The third step is exfoliation. In a HydraFacial, we do Hydra brasion, which is a combination of hydration and exfoliation. While there is supply of water, there is also exfoliation which happens with this special probe. So this probe is very gentle on the skin. We should avoid doing harsh exfoliation as that can actually damage the skin. So with this exfoliation step, we are able to remove the dead skin cells so that our skin is ready to absorb the nutrient serums. After exfoliation, we use a special probe called the ice hammer to cool down the skin. This cooling probe helps in soothing the skin after the exfoliation process. The next two steps involve infusion of certain nutrient serums. So depending on the skin type and the skin concerns, we use different serums. For example, for very dry skin, we use hyaluronic acid serums. For dull skin, we use vitamin C serums. For sensitive skins, we might use azelaic acid serums. So according to the skin type, the serums are customized and they are infused through the radiofrequency probe and the ultrasound probes. So both of these probes help in better infusion of the serum so that the serums reach the target layers and they are able to work effectively to give us the right results. The next step is the use of the oxy spray. So with this step, we are improving the oxygenation of the skin, and we are also giving a forced spray of hydrating serums into the skin. This step is followed by the application of a sheet mask. Again, the sheet masks are customized according to the skin type and the skin concerns. This sheet mask application also helps in better absorption of the serums that we have used in the previous steps. The last step, which is the LED light itself has many beneficial properties for the skin. There are different colored lights for different benefits. For example, blue light is beneficial for anti-aging. Green light is beneficial for acne, red light is great for rejuvenation, and so on and so forth. At the end of a HydraFacial, we always apply a good moisturizer and a good sunscreen on the skin so that the skin is protected before our patient goes out. So as you can see, Neha's skin is looking healthier and more hydrated. If we compare it with her previous picture, this result will only get better over the next few days.